Hey there, love. Thank you for coming back to listen to another video. And if you're new, welcome. I really hope you enjoyed this audio. If you do, leave a like and a comment to let me know. Subscribe for more. Enjoy. Smells so good already, right, love? I don't know what you're talking about. I never get ahead of myself. Leave me alone. I was excited when you told me you'd be home on time today, because I knew that meant we'd both be home on time. It felt like a tiny little miracle. Tiny little miracle. We've both been so busy with work and family events and just life in general. It's nice to have just a quiet night together with all the craziness of life going on right now. I thought maybe you'd want to sit with me while I make dinner. Awesome. It shouldn't take too long. I just need to finish cutting these vegetables, then cut the chicken, and add a couple spices to the broth and let it simmer for a little while. I've missed this. Not just you and I being in the same area together, but the quiet. You know? The peaceful quiet. The kind that doesn't feel lonely or empty. Do you remember that time we tried to make pasta from scratch and ended up with dough stuck to everything? I'm pretty sure I got it stuck on the ceiling too. Somehow. Yeah, the counters, the floor, us. I think the dog had flour on her nose too. Yeah, you thought you could save it, but I ordered a pizza instead. Still one of the best date nights we've had. Hey, you're really quiet now. I mean, more than usual. That far away look in your eyes. You aren't here right now, are you? You don't have to say anything, love. I know that look. When the noise outside finally quiets down, sometimes the inside noise gets louder. Creeps in when you least expect it. Hey, it's okay, honey. You don't need to explain. If the words aren't there, or it feels like they're too much to say out loud, that's alright. I'm here. Right here. Come on, come sit with me. Just for a minute. You don't have to do anything else. Let's take a deep breath, okay? Just in and out. again. In and out. There you go, sweetheart. Just breathe. I'm right here with you. There's no need to rush. We don't have to do anything. Don't worry about dinner. I turned the heat on the stove down. We've got time. Sometimes we get stuck in our heads and forget that our bodies are here too. How about we try some grounding? Yeah? And you don't have to speak. Just listen to my voice. Okay? Feel a chair underneath you. The floor supporting your feet. The warmth of the room. Notice the sounds around you. The quiet simmering from the kitchen. The gentle rain outside. And listen to the sound of my voice. You're safe. Right here, right now. You're safe. And right here, right now, no one needs anything from you. You don't need to explain yourself right now. Just be here in the moment with me. And know that you are loved, even when you go quiet. You always try so hard. Even on days like this where the words don't come out. You're still here, doing your best, just by being here. And I see that. I see you. Do you want to come help set the table? Or would it be better, would it feel better to stay here with the quiet for a little longer? You can nod, blink, or just exist, love. I'll follow your lead. Or maybe I could bring the food to you. We can have a little living room floor picnic. You know, light a candle and pretend that was the plan all along. Make it special. Make it ours. Dinner is just about ready. But there's no rush. We can eat when you're ready. We can just sit and enjoy the soft sounds around us for however long you need. You're allowed to need quiet. And you're allowed to need a break. I'm here for you whenever you need it. For as long as you need. Okay? I love you. I love you.